Hi everyone, Patrick here. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on creating a Node.js app in Bluemix. First thing we need to do is create our service. So I'm going to go into Bluemix and I'm going to click Add a Service or API because I don't see that I have a service that I want, which I'm going to create a visual recognition service using the Watson visual recognition service. So click on that. I want to get this boilerplate VR application, so I'm going to leave this unbound for now, and I'm going to change my name to something a little bit easier to remember. And then I'm going to go over to View Docs and navigate over to where I can pull down the boilerplate app from GitHub. And you can go there by going to Documentation and then navigate down here, and then you'll find a link to GitHub. Inside GitHub, we have the Watson Developer Cloud, and there's a lot of different starter apps in here. I'm going to go ahead and click Download Zip, download it to my hard drive, and then navigate over to Bluemix again. Click Create to create the service. Then I'm going to go back over to my desktop. The first thing we want to do when we go in here is to edit your manifest file to have the correct service name, which is visrec, and then the correct name of the application that you want right there. You can not have the application already created in Bluemix. It will create it for you as long as you specify it in the manifest file. Then I like to go in and edit a little bit of code so that I can make sure that this is actually my version of the program and not just the boilerplate one. So we go into this layout.jade file, and then I'm just going to change this application word to say app instead of application. And we'll go ahead and save that. And this is where it differs a little bit from Java. With Java, you have to build it. You have to build the WAR file, which is what is uploaded. With Node.js, all you have to do is navigate over to your command line into your directory where your code is, and then just do cf push, and it will upload it to Bluemix. Once you get your application uploaded, you can then navigate back to the dashboard, click the link for your app that you just created, and your web page should display. And there we go, Patrick's VR Node.js Starter app. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.